Hey everyone, in today's video I'm going to show you my lazy girl skincare face yoga morning routine. I always start by tapping on my face, and this helps my skin to improve blood circulation, and also it helps me to wake up. Then I go on to opening the lymph nodes, and I start with my armpits. You just need to do a gentle massage on them. Then I move on to the collarbones area. Lymphatic drainage system massage is so important because it helps the skin to clear the toxins that it creates during the night. Then I move on to the sides of my neck. And after that, back of my neck. For my ears, I massage them with two of my fingers and I come down on the sides of my neck. Then I go up to the temples and massage them gently as well. And lastly, I massage sides of my nose. For my lazy skincare, I use my vitamin C oil on my face for moisturizing and also brightening effect, and I apply it gently all over my face and my neck. And after that, I use my moisturizer. I use plenty of moisturizer on my skin because this time of the year where I live, the weather is so dry, so I always apply lots of moisturizer to keep my skin moisturized. Then I go on with my eye cream and I apply it gently under my eyes, and after that I use my lip balm for extra moisturize on my lips. Now I can start my massage, and I start with my neck. If you don't have a gua sha stone, you can also do these exercises with your hands. Then I move on to the double chin area. So I gently move to the ears. Next exercise is for jawline sculpting, and as you can see, I move to the ears with my thumbs. Next exercise is for lower facelift. This simple exercise helps with overall facelift. For my lips, I start with lower lip muscles. Then I move on to upper lip muscles. This simple exercise helps lips to get bigger naturally. Moving on to the cheeks, I draw a half circle on my cheeks and move upwards and outwards. Then I move on to my nose massage. For this exercise, I massage my nose, putting a little pressure on it, and then I move on to the sides of my nose. I move on to the under eye area. I start by tapping under my eye. To reducing crow's feet, I move on to the outer corner of my eyes and I massage it gently, trying to unfold any wrinkles on this area. Then for dark circles, I try to be so careful in this area to not cause any wrinkles under my eyes. Next exercise is for hooded eyes. As you can see, I don't have hooded eyes, but I do this massage every morning to depuff my eyes. So whenever you feel like your eyes are a little bit puffy, you can do this simple move to depuff them. For frown lines, I start by warming up this area. Then I move on and lift my forehead with 2 of my fingers. Next exercise is one of the most effective ones. You just need to press and hold your brows and put a little pressure on the muscles. This pinching technique helps the muscles to relax and relieve the tension in them, so they won't shorten and cause frown lines. Next move is for brow lifting. It's so simple and you just need to massage your brows upwards like that. For the next exercise, I lift my forehead with all of my fingers upwards. Then to reduce any horizontal wrinkles, I use my gua sha stone and massage my forehead roughly like this, up and down, drawing zigzags. I do the same for vertical wrinkles, but this time I just move left and right on my forehead. And this was it for today's video. Thank you for watching. Bye!